Hey there, curious minds! Have you ever wondered what makes you tick, wiggle, and giggle? It's all thanks to something incredible called the human body. Yep, that's right. Your body is like a super duper, mega awesome machine that helps you do everything you love, from playing tag with friends to dreaming big dreams. In this exciting adventure, we're going to take a closer look at all the amazing parts that make up you. We'll discover how your heart keeps pumping, your lungs keep breathing, and your brain keeps thinking up awesome ideas. Plus, we'll learn some cool tips on how to keep your body happy and healthy. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride through the wonderful world of the human body. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Your heart is like a pump that never takes a break, working day and night to keep you alive. It sends blood all around your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. So remember to treat your heart kindly by eating healthy foods and staying active. Your brain is the boss of your body, like a super smart computer inside your head. It helps you think, learn, remember, and even feel emotions like happiness and excitement. So give your brain a good workout by reading, playing, and exploring new things every day. Your lungs are like two fluffy balloons inside your chest that help you breathe. They fill up with fresh air when you take a big breath in, and then push out old, stale air when you breathe out. So remember to take deep breaths and keep your lungs strong and healthy. Kidneys are like super filters in your body, cleaning your blood and getting rid of waste. They help keep your body in balance by controlling things like water and salt. So drink plenty of water and eat healthy foods to help your kidneys stay happy. Your stomach is like a big, stretchy bag that holds all the yummy food you eat. It squishes and squashes the food to help break it down into tiny pieces. Then it sends those pieces to your intestines to get all the good stuff out. Intestines are like long, twisty tubes in your belly where your food goes after your stomach. They soak up all the good stuff your body needs, like vitamins and nutrients, and send the rest out as poop. So eat healthy foods to keep your intestines happy and working smoothly. Your liver is a superhero organ that cleans your blood and helps your body stay healthy.